Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate percentage of marks in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here I'm going to use the Excel formula. So you can see here I have a data, the student name, then theory marks out of 100, practical marks out of 50. And here I'm going to calculate the percentage of marks. Before that, I total these both marks. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to, select the theory marks, then plus, then select the practical marks and enter. Select the cell, drag this formula below the cell. Okay. Then for percentage, to calculate the percentage, select the cell. Use the is equal to, select the total marks. Use the slash. Okay. Then use the bracket. Then the theory for out of 100. So enter the 100 plus 50 for practicals. 50 practical marks is out of 50. So enter the 50, bracket closed, and just enter. And just drag this formula below this cell. And here you can see the percentage is calculated. Select the all column, go to the home tab. In numbers, just click on the percentage sign. And that's it. Here you can see your percentage is calculated. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.